If you're looking to streamline your recruitment workflows, Process.st is one of the best tools to help you organize and automate every step of your process. Whether you're managing candidate interviews, onboarding, or just organizing tasks for your recruitment team, this guide will show you how to make the most out of Process.st's features to make your recruitment process more efficient. Before we dive into the details, I want to mention that you can try Process.st for completely free with exclusive bonuses, which you can access via the first link in the description below. Now, let's break down how to use Process.st for recruitment workflows. First, you'll want to create a new workflow for your recruitment process. It could be something like candidate screening or new hire onboarding. The beauty of Process.st is that it's flexible, and you can create as many workflows as you need for different stages of the recruitment process. Once you've set up your workflow, the next step is to break it down into individual tasks. These tasks represent each step you need to take for that workflow, like reviewing resumes, scheduling interviews, or checking references. The key here is to be specific about each task so that nothing gets missed. Next, let's talk about automation. Process.st allows you to automate repetitive tasks, which can save you a lot of time. For example, once a task is completed, like scheduling an interview, you can set the workflow to automatically notify the next team member or even trigger a new task, such as sending an email confirmation to the candidate. This is how you make sure every step is followed without any manual intervention. Now, if you work in a team, you can assign tasks to specific team members. This is great for dividing up responsibilities. Whether it's the hiring manager, recruiter, or HR team, everyone can see their specific tasks in the workflow. This makes collaboration seamless, and everyone knows exactly what needs to be done and when. To take things further, Process.st also allows you to use templates. They have a ton of pre-made templates that can make your life even easier. For instance, they have an interview feedback template where you can collect structured feedback from your team after an interview. You can customize it to your needs, or start from scratch to build a completely unique template. Another powerful feature is the ability to track progress. Process.st gives you visibility into your workflow, so you can quickly see which tasks are completed and which are still pending. This is essential for keeping your recruitment process on track and ensuring that no candidate falls through the cracks. For all the document handling that recruitment requires, whether it's resumes, contracts, or offer letters, Process.st lets you attach files to your tasks. This helps you keep everything in one place and prevents important documents from getting lost. Lastly, one of the most exciting things about Process.st is its integrations. You can integrate with tools like Slack, Zapier, and Google Drive to make the recruitment process even smoother. For example, you can set up a Zap to automatically create a new task in Process.st every time you receive a new application via email. The possibilities are endless, and the integrations can significantly enhance your workflow automation. To wrap up, using Process.st for recruitment workflows will save you time, increase collaboration, and ensure that you never miss a step in your hiring process. Whether you're a small team or a large organization, Process.st's flexibility and automation can help you scale and improve efficiency. And remember, if you're looking to try Process.st yourself, you can access an exclusive extended free trial through the link in the description below.